3 months ago, I gave myself a challenge that I wasn't sure my amateur DIY skills could pull off. Could I completely transform this horrible, horrible garage for less than $2,000? Or was I about to waste a whole lot of money? Honestly, I wasn't expecting it to turn out this well. Welcome back to 6 Acre Solo. If you watched part one, you know this garage was a disaster. Drywall holes everywhere, bad paint colors, junky cabinets, and one very questionable textured wall. Loose wires, and overall just a very unfinished, dirty look. But this project isn't really just about the garage. Every dollar I recover when I sell this house is another dollar I can invest in my building my new homestead in Washington. So making this house look its absolute best isn't just about resale anymore. It's about funding the next chapter. Now, this project should have taken a couple of weekends. Instead, Mother Nature in Illinois has had other plans. Repeated storm cleanup kept getting in the way. Some shipments were delayed, kinda my fault, and then I may have accidentally not ordered enough jade channel trim while also ordering more of the wide panels that I needed. Oops. Once they arrived, though, I looked around and thought, well, it would be a shame to let all the extra material go to waste. So what started as a one feature wall and some paint turned into a makeover that went just a little bit bigger. The original plan was simple: paint 2 walls, cabinets, and doors, cover the main wall with Trusscore. That's it. Instead, I ended up adding Trusscore leftovers to a second wall, as well as multiple other lower wall sections to kind of use up the pieces. I replaced some outlet covers, added some fresh caulk where it was needed, some little extra improvements that by themselves probably wouldn't mean much, but together they really helped completely change the space. Going into this project, I had two big questions. Was Trusscore actually worth the money? And could I install it myself? Turns out the answer to both questions was yes. And it was easy. Well, mostly easy. The panels, they click together pretty easily and hold themselves there while you screw them in. So it was measure, cut, check the level, screw them in, and repeat. No specialty tools beyond a power saw and a power screwdriver and a level. Just careful measuring mostly and taking your time. The clean finish that resulted instantly makes the garage feel brighter, newer, and more finished. Now, to be totally transparent, there was one panel, just one, but it nearly defeated me. Picture this: a really long, floppy plastic panel, kinda short arms, standing on a step stool, trying to hold this awkward, floppy thing over my head while trying to get it clicked into space. It didn't go very well because my neighbors, if they were outside, they heard some vocabulary they're probably not used to hearing from me. And in the end, the panel kind of won. It didn't go in as perfectly as the others, but you know what? It was good enough. Sometimes that's exactly what you need to do to keep moving. So, did I stay under budget? Well, primer paint and repairs was about $200. The Trusscore panels and trims was about $1,500. Screws, caulk, and outlet covers about $100. So, about $1,800. Not only did I come in about $200 under my original budget, I actually ended up expanding the project because of my little ordering mistakes. So, for around $1,800, this garage went from something buyers would either overlook or run away from screaming to a bright, clean, and modern space. I am so happy I did this. I kind of smile every time I go into it. It just makes me feel really good. This isn't just about a garage makeover, though. It's one more major project finished, me one step closer to building my dream homestead in the Pacific Northwest. And speaking of Washington, something happened I wasn't expecting. But you're going to have to wait until next week's episode to hear all about it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next chapter. I'm Margot, and this is 6 Acre Solo.